This has been an outstanding Test match series, and it is now time for the fifth and final test in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. And once again, Shubman Gill was on the wrong end of the toss result, as Pope has put India into bat. 4 changes for India. Extra batting in the form of Karun Nair, out go Shardul Thakur, Jurel for Pant, Akashdeep and Prasidh for Bumrah and Kamboj. And England, 4 changes of their own. No Ben Stokes, Ollie Pope will captain, Jacob Bethel for Liam Dawson, and Overton, Atkinson and Tongue all return. No Bryden Cast, no Jofra Archer.
From India's point of view, everything to play for. It's a must-win game to draw level.
Here he comes to Yashasvi Jaiswal. Outfield will be a little sluggish compared to normal here. Inside edge.
Ball tracking coming up now, Hassan. Impact is in line. And it's hitting the wickets, so it's 3 legs. So you'll be overturning your original decision of not out.
His Holiness the Pope has called it right.
Jaiswal goes for 2, 10 for 1.
Just past the leg slip, and that will go away to the boundary. Starts with the ball down the leg side and goes between the keeper and slip. Wide signalled. Oh, that's gone the other way. Radar completely lost here. Well, the radar was found at the end of the over. It's the length. Play to that one. He often leaves his bat there, and he's not playing. That one he did.
Bowled in, probably a little bit close to cut, and maybe some movement in. That's a huge wicket for England, because KL Rahul in these conditions is outstanding.
Rahul, the man, gone for 14, 38 for 2.
Lovely straight bat. That is a beautiful shot. Well, that sounded beautiful. Exactly what Ricky Ponting was talking about earlier. Beauty.
And that could go all the way as well. So second boundary in that area.
Now just hands, but beautiful from Shubman Gill. And stall on it. It's a heavy outfield. There's been some rain, but he will get 4. Oh, glorious. That is simply glorious from Sai Sudarshan. Fully in control. Easy as you like from Shubman Gill. It's the boundary from that over from Overton. 72 for 2.